up, host the shop? Don't you hate it when you sit down after you turn it on, you gotta get back up? It's not warmed up yet. Once it gets warmed up, it'll stay on. Oh, this is fat. Yo, I'm loving this thing. Whoa, 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 this thing got power. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's a block of me. Nothing. Oh man. Yo. You see my eyes? I'm crying. Look. This thing is so fast. Look. It's so fast it made me cry. You guys never seen me cry before, right? Now you did. Yo, it almost blew the GoPro off my head. Ah, shit. The chain came off. Yeah, now I gotta go find it. That sucks. If it's not one thing, it's the other. Now I gotta go search for the chain. No, that's this thing here. But this thing goes fast. I'm gonna figure out what's up with the chain, find the chain, put it back on today. But I got my video for full send. Oh man, I'm hyped. Let me go front flip for you guys. Hold on, I think I still can do it. I think I still can do it. Alright. Let's go find this chain. We lost the chain, guys. Alright, let me end this one right here. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe.